Pakistan Armed Forces are a professional armed forces, and we adhere to the commitments that we make. And we follow in letter and spirit the instructions of the political government and the commitments that they hold. So, as far as Pakistan Army is concerned, Pakistan Armed Forces is concerned, the ceasefire will hold, is holding. And there have been confidence building measures in communications between both the sides. However, if any violation occurs, our response is always there and then, but it is only directed at those posts and those positions from where the violations of the ceasefire happen. We never target the civilians, we never target any civilian infrastructure. That's the way we are. So our message is clear. We are for peace. We strive for peace, but if any violation has occurred, any aggression is made against Pakistan, and then our response will be very assured, will be swift, it will be